Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into accounts. Google.com using the Gmail address you want to update. This gives you full access to settings. Once signed in, navigate to Security and confirm recovery phone and alternate email so you can regain access later. Enable two-step verification to protect changes and reduce lockout risk. Make these checks first because they guard the rest of the process and allow you to make account edits confidently without losing access mid-update. Now go to Personal Info and make the specific edits you need: name, profile photo, and basic contact details. Once there, update recovery phone and alternate email entries so notifications and resets reach you. This matters if you change the primary address. If you need an alias or Google Workspace address adjustments, handle those here or in Gmail settings for send as behavior. Make sure to save each change. Google often prompts to confirm identity after critical edits, so follow any verification steps. Finish by running a security checkup and reviewing privacy settings. Revoke access for unused apps and remove old devices. Once done, test sending and receiving an email, then sign out and sign back in to confirm everything applied. If something goes wrong, make sure to use your recovery phone or alternate email to regain access. If that fails, complete Google's account recovery form with exact prior passwords and creation details. That usually resolves most lockouts quickly. Stay patient and follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.